I'm Sergio H. Benavides with the Law Office of Sergio H. Benavides, criminal law specialist, defense attorney, and offering help with people in immigration law. I'm here to talk to you about what to expect when you call me for your free initial consultation and how we go about hiring me to represent you. When you first decide that you're not going to go with a public defender and you want a private defense attorney who's a specialist and has the high level of experience that you need, you call me up, we make an appointment. When you come in, we will spend about anywhere from 30 or 40 minutes to up to an hour at no cost to you, and I'll discuss the case with you. I'll ask you questions about the case, your side of the story, what you think will happen, many other things. At this point, before I've been hired, there may or may not be police reports available. So it's really important to be open and honest. And I'll remind you that everything we talk about in this office is private and confidential and privileged information. Once I have an idea, and I've been able to talk to you about the case, and have an idea of just how complex or simple the case is, I'll be able to discuss fees with you. And that's based on what's involved and how much work is involved and whether or not I foresee having to do a lot of legal research, write and argue motions, and how much investigation is involved to really represent you at the fullest possible way. Make sure that you come in prepared to discuss everything openly and honestly. It's really important, for example, to discuss your criminal record, everything that's on there, because it really affects what I can do for you, even going back as a teenager or a little kid. If we come to an agreement, we will get an agreement that's in writing, and I'll make sure that you understand it and that everything's clear so that there are no questions and no concerns before you leave this office. At that first consultation, if there's going to be an agreement and you're going to retain me as your attorney, we'll even talk about what I think the strong suits are of your case and what the challenges are for the case. We'll discuss time waivers, whether we want to stick to a speedy trial or push the case out and prolong it. We'll discuss all kinds of things that will affect your rights and your freedoms, such as OR, being released on your own recognizance, bail. I can do bail hearings for you. And whether or not you might consider things like AA meetings, community service, letters of recommendation, and lots of other strategies that I have that can help shape the way this case is resolved. Thank you for considering the Law Office of Sergio H. Benavides.